मेरा नाम स्मितल वाघमारे शिंदे। मैं बाला प्रोजेक्ट में अभी अवेयरनेस का जो काम है वो कर रही हूँ।
Project Bala is a menstrual hygiene social enterprise. Our mission statement is to make menstrual hygiene a non-issue within our own lifetimes. And what we're trying to solve are the 3A that we have in Bala, that is access, affordability and awareness.
We've impacted 8 lakh women and girls across India with free pads and awareness and education around menstrual health and hygiene. What has happened over the years is a lot of the women and girls from the communities have come back to us saying that they would like to purchase these pads for their friends, family, as well as for their use after 1.5 to 2 years. This is why and how we initiated the Bala Associate Model. What we're trying to do in the Bala Associate Model is identify women entrepreneurs at the grassroots level who can become the focal point of both menstrual education as well as the sale of sustainable menstrual hygiene products. How we try to roll out this model is identify community organizations that are working on women's networks already.
Right now in Latur, we are working with Swam Section Prayog and Sakhi Unique Rural Enterprise, SSP and Sure. And they have a cadre of Sakhis that are spread across the district.
So we piggyback on the existing entrepreneurs network and add Project Bala's solutions and as an additional product that they can sell and promote at the ground level.
जो अभी बाला के ऊपर 5 सुपरवाइजर्स और 200 सखीज काम कर रहे हैं.
Smithal, she is the one who goes to each and every village, talks to the women, does the marketing of the product here to run the entire program, and we call her the Bala Associate.
सेशन होता है हमारा एक घंटा से 1.5 घंटे का। तो सेशन के दौरान मैं ये चीज़ भी करती हूँ कि उनको माहवारी क्यों आती है, माहवारी आई तो क्या बदलाव होता है, नहीं आई तो क्या बदलाव होता है, इस चीज़ के भी बारे में बताती हूँ। हम सवाल जवाब करते हैं उसमें, उनको भी पूछती हूँ मैं, उनके जवाब लेती हूँ ताकि उनको भी बोर ना हो, उनको भी सब चीज़ें समझ में आए। तो हमने अभी तक 38 गाँव कंप्लीट कर लिए।
Now society is not built for women's needs. Think about the cycle of purchasing to disposal of a pad. It's a nightmare for the women because they have to plan for the entire thing.
रात में या सुबह सुबह 4-5 बजे उठ के सबसे पहले वो पैड जो हम 4-5 दिन जमा करते थे वो कैरी बैग में जमा करते थे, फिर गांव के बाहर जाके अंधेरे में फेंक के आते थे.
Environmental damage that the throwing habit has created, you cannot even fathom it until you see it yourself.
तो पॅड गावात राहिल्यामुळे असं कुठे टाकावा हा प्रॉब्लेम होता. सकाळी किंवा असं संध्याकाळी उशिरा बाहेर जाऊन तो फेकून यावा लागत होता. आता मला तसा काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
जब हमने महिलाओं से उनका फीडबैक पूछा, अनुभव पूछा, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हमें ऐसा लगता भी नहीं कि हम माहवारी में हमने पैड लगाया है, इतना वो सॉफ्ट है.
And once they have used it, it's an immediate word of mouth effect that we see. In almost all our workshops, we see 10% conversion rate, and they are the people because of whom we get the buy-in in the community.
We've created income for the associates, and for the community, we've created role models as well as individuals that they can access at any point for any sort of menstrual health problems as well as product access problems that they face.
बचत गटात बाहेर असल्यामुळे मला हे काम करायला आवडलं. गावात एक नवीन ओळख झाली. प्रत्येक महिला चौथीताई काहीतरी आहे काय की तेव्हा गावात असं विचारतात, काही फोन आला की काय काम आहे, काही मीटिंग आहे का.
मैं उनको जितना सेशन देती हूँ ना उससे मेरा सेटिस्फैक्शन तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, लेकिन मेरा भी माइंड सेट इतना क्लियर हो रहा है कि इसके बारे में सोचना है, इसके बारे में बात करना है और ये आगे लोगों तक कितना चाहिए, पहुंचना चाहिए.
Strongest points of satisfaction and contentment that we've created a community which is centered around the needs of the women, and they themselves are catering to it while earning an income and while becoming financially independent.
And definitely, I would love to partner with organizations with a similar mindset who keep the community first, who keep the environment first. And that's my request to all the organizations out there who are working with women. If you think there is a scope of partnership with Project Bala, we are more than happy to welcome you.
Our aspiration is to create hundreds and thousands of such menstrual health champions across India who are changing the perspective of women's health while being financially sustainable.